Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Lore. Today, I'll show you how to create a sales funnel for your Shopify business to turn visitors into customers. Let's get started. Step 1. Attract visitors. Use Google and Facebook ads, SEO blogging, and social media marketing to drive traffic to your store. Step 2. Capture leads. Create a landing page with a clear offer, email sign-up, and strong call to action, CTA. Step 3. Nurture leads. Send automated emails with product recommendations, discounts, and valuable content. Step 4. Optimize checkout. Make purchasing easy with multiple payment options, urgency tactics, and cart recovery emails. Step 5. Follow up and retarget. Use thank you emails, retargeting ads, and loyalty rewards to keep customers coming back. Outro. These steps are important steps for your e-commerce business. And that's it. Now you know how to build a sales funnel for Shopify. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore. See you in the next one.